Hello students, today we will read the chapter 7 of your book Beehive. Name of the chapter is Packing. Packing is actually an extract from the novel Three Men in a Boat written by Jerome K. Jerome. This book is a boating holiday account of three friends, Jerome, the author, and his two friends, Harris and George. Packing is particularly that section of the book where the author, along with his friends, are busy in the tedious work of packing just before they set out of their journey. As Jerome, George, and Harris are ready to set out on a boat journey, they began with packing their bags. Jerome, the narrator, is the one who explains his experience of packing. He is pretty confident about his packing skills, as he mentions that he can handle loading his stuff into his bag on his own. In reality, he simply wants to monitor his friends while they are engaged in the packing session and make them work under his supervision. Nonetheless, they sit and relax and left him handle the packing process all by himself. Although it irritates him, he still packs the bag diligently. As Jerome continues with his packing session, his friends silently watch him to do all the work. Soon Harris reminds him of the shoes and Jerome reopens the bag to make some space for it. Suddenly, Jerome is unsure if he had packed his toothbrush or not. So he again unpacks the luggage bag just to find the toothbrush inside one of his boots and repacks the bag again. Soon after, George queries Jerome about the soap, but he gets irritated, ignores the comment, and packs his bag regardless. However, he opens his bag as his spectacles were locked inside the bag. Finally, he slams his bag shut and concludes his packing session at 10:05 p.m. As the food hampers were left to be done, George and Harris start packing to show Jerome the art of packing by consuming less time. However, even they are caught up in awkward situation when they break a cup into pieces. Further, Harris squashes the tomatoes while packing the strawberry jam, and George works on the butter and ends up smashing the pies by packing it at the bottom of the hamper. Besides, the salt is spread all over the things and the hamper packing ends up in a messy state. After much chaos, they finally try to put all the things together systematically. To their dismay, their pet dog, Montmorency, creates nuisance and worsens things. He sits on those items which are meant to be packed and puts his leg into the jam and crushes the lemons like rats. Harris accuses Jerome of creating all the mess by the pet. However, Jerome says that Montmorency was born with this natural instinct of cluttering things everywhere. Finally, after much muddling, the packing ends at around 12:50 a.m. After a prolonged and tiring packing session, the friends decided to take some rest before they set out on their journey the next morning. As they head to bed, George asks about what time he should awake his friends. Harry says 7 o'clock, while Jerome maintains 6. This split their difference and agree to wake up at 6:30 and finally go off to sleep. The chapter Packing teaches students how packing can indeed a tiring task is not done properly. Moreover, when done with friends, it may become a little messy and time consuming, but it has its own charm and fun. So hope all of you like this story. So here comes the end of the packing.